WGS for NetSuite is specifically built for the welding supply and gas distribution industry by extending NetSuite's #1 cloud-based business management software suite. Get the scalability, accessibility, and flexibility of NetSuite without compromising on the features needed to support your unique business. I'm going to cover the lease and rental management features that are a part of the WGS for NetSuite bundle. So we're going to start by entering an order. The great thing about NetSuite is that it's so easy to customize and everything is consistently organized no matter where you go. On the order page, we have key header information up at the top, such as customer, date, sales rep, and PO number. Then we have more details later like classifications, profit margins, and other detail information. Finally, we have a series of tabs along the bottom with more information like the items being ordered, shipping information, and billing information. For this example, I'm going to show how leases can be added with cylinders and hard goods to an order. There are more detailed examples of cylinder and hard good orders as part of the sales management demo video. We're going to start by selecting Kramer as the customer. Then we're going to go ahead and leave the shipping method as our truck and set the payment type to charge, which means they're going to be invoiced on account. Next, I'm going to enter my cylinder. So I'm going to type in OX200. NetSuite lets you look up items by both the item name or the description of the item. I'm going to select the cylinder. NetSuite warns me that there's none available on hand. Click OK. Notice how NetSuite automatically populates what's on hand and what's available, and also the pricing and the cost information automatically populates. I'm going to add this cylinder to the order. As I add it, fuel surcharge and hazmat fees are automatically applied to the order. Next, I'm going to add a hard good item to the order, and its pricing and cost information is also automatically going to be populated. Now I'm going to add my lease item. So leases are divided out by different item types and different years. I'm adding a lease item along with cylinders and hard goods, but you can also add leases to their own order. So I'm going to add a 1-year helium lease. Its pricing information automatically populates. And then the next thing I need to do is set when the lease is going to start. So I'm going to say the lease starts today. The duration and end date automatically populate. And now I'm going to add this lease to the order. And now I'm going to save my order. When the order is saved, our seamless integration sends the cylinder and lease order information to TrackAbout. Next, we're going to cover the scenario of handling lease renewals. We know this process can be a pain for the AR department, so we designed a way to make this as simple as possible. So let me show you our lease renewal page. From here, users can see all the leases for a particular branch or customer or rep that they're going to need to be renewed. Typically, they would do this for leases being renewed next month. So in this example, I'm going to look at leases needing to be renewed for November. I'm going to change my start and end dates, and then I'm going to generate the list of leases. So now NetSuite is going out to find all the leases that need to be renewed. And here they are. Now you can see that list of those leases. We show information here such as the lease start date, duration, end date, original price, and original quantity. The renewal price and the renewal quantity can be changed if needed. Check the leases you want to renew and then click the Process Lease Renewal list. This will create the leases, and then these leases are automatically sent to TrackAbout and are automatically invoiced in NetSuite so that then they will flow through your standard invoicing process. Finally, I want to cover cylinder rentals. We know that cylinder rentals are a major component of your business, so we've worked with TrackAbout to make this process as seamless as possible. We've combined TrackAbout's ability to calculate rent accurately with NetSuite's invoicing capabilities to give you a process that just simply works. TrackAbout is collecting cylinder asset balance information and uses that to compute the rental invoices. All the rental invoice logic is managed by TrackAbout, which is what they do best. When those rental invoices are created in TrackAbout, they're automatically sent to NetSuite for invoicing. These rental invoices are created automatically in NetSuite and are printed, emailed, or faxed from the NetSuite system so that they can flow through your standard invoicing process. So I'll show you a rental invoice here in NetSuite that came from TrackAbout, and this is for the Elephant Power customer. You can see that there's 2 rental items down below, and we have a description of the rental along with the rate, the amount, and other key rental information from TrackAbout that you may need to print on the invoice. Charge, deliver quantity, and ending and starting balance information. The invoice can be printed, emailed, or faxed from NetSuite and sent to your customer. So here's an example of a rental invoice printout. This printout can be completely customized to make it look however you want. This is just a standard layout we have in the system. So to summarize, in this video, we've covered lease ordering, lease renewals, and cylinder rental management.